Hey there, wonderful folks. Welcome back to Healthy Diet. I'm Johan, and today, I've got something special brewing in the kitchen that's going to add a burst of energy to your evenings. We're talking about a bedtime energy boost in the form of a delicious and easy-to-make juice. Trust me, this is the kind of treat your taste buds have been dreaming about. So, let's jump right in and whip up some magic in a jar. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Now, let's get blending. Grab a cucumber, chop it in half. And pop it into a jar. Now, slice up a ripe banana and join the cucumber party in the jar. Next up, grab an apple, chop it into slices. And toss them into the mix. Oh, and don't forget a zesty quarter of a lemon.
Time for a touch of sweetness. Drizzle into tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Sweet goodness coming your way.
Pour a glass of water into your blender and let the magic happen. Smooth vibes on the way. Last but not least, add a tablespoon of raw honey. This is our secret ingredient for that extra yum factor. And there you have it, a quick and tasty bedtime energy boost. Sip on this for a healthy and happy life. If you loved hanging out with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-peasy recipes. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today.